So we are going to solve this question. Okay, na? I will again start explaining this question. How I will proceed. First of all, देखिए, first of all, I will identify the pattern of question. Pattern of question is, it is said that this function is continuous at x is equals to 0, that function is continuous. Find value of ABCD. It means any question we feel like, question is saying some function is continuous, find a, b, c, or find a. They can simply ask find a, b. They can also ask find a, b, c, d. So first concept where I will start my thinking is from this variable. Acha, a, b, c, d. 4 values we have to find. 4 values we have to find. So 4 values means 4 equation. If we have to find 4 values, now we have to generate 4 equation. Okay. How will generate the equation? By reading the question. There are something which is written in English. That English will have some mathematical equation. That equation will write and we'll get that. Okay. So first of all, I am going to read the whole question and I will see which English has meaning in mathematics. I will find which English has some mathematical meaning. So here directly it is starting from let fx is this, that is totally mathematics. Here it is saying if that function f is continuous at x is equals to 0. So this English has some mathematical meaning, and that is f of 0 value and f of 0 plus value and f of hello. How are you? How much fine, sir? Studying at home, eating at home, sleeping at home, roaming at home. No, sir. It sounds like Johnny, Johnny. Okay. It also sounds like A for. Uh, okay. Okay. Let's start. A twinkle, twinkle, little star, na? देखो. See this. Lot of students, not lot of students, almost 12 lakh students are preparing now for that competitive exam. Out of that, 10,000 to 15,000 students will get IIT college, and 30,000, 40,000 students will get NIT, National Institute of Technology. Almost 50,000 seats is reserved. So out of 12 lakh, 50,000 students will get into good college. Okay, na? Means government college. Government college means less fees. Yes, na? Acha. And the one who are attentive in the class right now, not in today only, every class, only they are going to get that seat. 95% seats will be filled by that. Out of 50,000, almost 45,000 students, those who will qualify. Okay, na? Every day they have worked in class also and worked at home also. 5,000 students, maybe last 3 months they will study. One example I have seen in last 10 years. Only one example I have seen. He studied for 3 months, 4 months and got 97, 98 percentile. Yes, na? Okay, so let's start. See, this question, lot of students will be studying in their class. And when you will understand this, yes, question is very good. And this level of question JEE target. Not only this question, give your module. I will tell you how many types of questions are there in this, our module from PYQ. Give me one module. Module 2. Okay. So in module 2, if we see first limit continuity differentiability, if I see PYQ, if I see PYQ, question number second, 2024 only, question number second is based on this topic. The way I am going to explain you. So in first and second question is on this topic. Second number question, fifth number question. Fifth number question, eighth number question. Second, fifth, eighth. Twenty-one. Continuity and differentiability. 28 number question. 29 number question. 30 number question. 31 number question. 34 number question. 35. 38. So almost 28 to 39. 11 question they have given from continuity, from PYQ. 11 question. Out of 11 question, how many question you wrote after 28? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 11 question, 8 question is about finding something. It is given in question that function is continuous, find something. Okay, na? It means this question is important for us. So a star mark because this question has very good concept, and a star mark for JEE Advance. Before going to attempt your JEE Advance exam, we can see this question. So this is the original mathematics. Okay, na? It means according to the information given in question, f of 0 minus f of 0 f of 0 plus all three are equal. Now, whenever you are equating this, at that step, you have to think, this is looking one equation, but actually it is two equation. You will get two equation from here. You can equate any two, and you can equate any two. Two equation will generate from there. But here A, B, C, D is there. Two equation will generate from there. Now the question is from where other two equation will generate. That equation will generate from limit. Because after that we don't have any English meaning. Only one English line is there in that whole question where some mathematical understanding is present. Only this. After find out values of ABCD, there is no mathematical understanding for that. Only this line has some mathematical understanding. This is the mathematical understanding. Okay. And whenever you are writing this mathematical understanding, always you remember this is equals to this. You will do first equation you will get. Again, you will equate any two equation you have to generate. Don't generate three equation, only two equation. Okay, now I am going to check here. F of 0 I am going to find. F of 0 is equals to 3. Now I am going to write f of 0 plus. When I write f of 0 plus, that will become 1 plus 0 by 0 raised to 1 by 0 plus actually it is. But this 0 plus by 0 plus, we don't know the value. But limit will allow us to find this 0 plus by 0 plus. But when you see this structure, you'll find, sir, this structure is matching with degrees infinity and something 1 is there. So 100% this limit should be 1 raised to infinity. It means this 0 plus by 0 plus, this should give 0 value. And what is this 0 plus by 0 plus? That is cx plus dx cube by cx plus dx cube by x square. Okay, na? This we have to solve now. This should become 0. Now, when I'm talking about 0 plus by 0 plus, and I want to solve this limit, my all eyes will be on 0 plus denominator, because this system is undefined because of this 0 plus. That system is undefined because of 0 plus in denominator. Numerator can be any number. Denominator, except 0, it can be any number. Because this 0 plus is present, that's why this whole system is undefined. So now that 0 plus is because of x square. So you can only remove this 0 plus when x square you will remove. And how you will remove x square? By cancelling something. You not directly, sir, removed, sir. Not like that. Cancelling. And if you want to cancel x square, then x square should be in numerator. But here we can see x, here we can say x cube. Both has only x. X you will take common, only x will get cancelled. It means anyhow I need to generate x square in numerator. So if this is 0, 100% c value is 0. And d can be anything. D can be anything. So when c is 0, this will become simple. Dx cube by x square, and this will generate dx, and this will generate 0. Because limit is x 0 plus. It means that will generate 0 plus. You can write like this. Now 1 plus, this change to 0 plus. We can write 1. 1 raised to infinity form. And how to solve 1 raised to infinity form? First I find k. K will be limit. Same limit we write, x tends to 0 plus gx. What is gx? 1 by x. What is fx? 1 plus, and this, do you remember now what is this became? This became 1 plus dx. This is dx. So that will become 1 plus dx minus 1. Fx minus 1. 1 minus 1 cancel. Dx by x. X will get cancelled. And this value will generate d. And from here we can say, what is this? And this will become, do you remember? Yes, na? No problem. Now, do you remember what will be the now value of f of 0 plus? Don't say d. That time I was in hurry, I said d. When we get k, so anything, what will be answered? E raised to k. So what will be answered here? E raised to d. Now e raised to d is f of 0 plus. F of 0 plus we got. What is f of 0? 3. 3 we got. Now we'll solve here. E raised to d is equals to 3. D will be equals to log 3 base e. We got the d value. We got the d value. Now only our target is to find this. Let's see. Very good target. F of 0 minus. Let me put 0 minus first. 0 into 0, that will come 0. 1 minus 0 will be 1. And 1 into a will be a. Cos 0, 1. Plus 5. Upon 0 minus square. This we are getting. Understood? Now, and you know, according to question, this is continuous at x is equals to 0, na? Yes or no? It means 100% this value should be equals to 3 or not. Both should be equal or not. But you can see here 3's we are not getting. Denominator we are getting 0 plus. And whenever denominator is 0 plus, that will tend to infinity. Plus infinity or minus infinity. Now the question is, sir, this is tending to plus minus infinity. How it can be 3? That's why A and B is given to you. You can change A and B according to your understanding. And you can change this plus minus infinity to 3. Now the question is, sir, how? Denominator is 0 plus. Now you see here 0 plus was present. Yes or no? We were able to solve this. Yes or no? Only when this is 0 plus by 0 plus. Yes or no? It means if this will become 0 plus, then 0 plus by 0 plus we can solve and we can take it to 3. It means simple. They are asking you at place of A and B what number I put. That is the main thing here. That is the main basic thing of question. A and B, they don't want to give you. They have given you this value is, this limit value is 3. This limit value is 3. Find what A and B I should put. So 100%, if denominator is 0, 100% numerator is going to be 0. It means now I can remove this plus minus infinity. And I can say, sir, A plus B is going to be A plus B plus 5 is going to be 0. See, we got the, and fourth, so this was third equation. Two equation we'll get from here, 1 and 2. We got C, we got D. Two more equation we want. We have to find A and B na. A and B means two variable we have to find. So for finding A and B, two equation we want. This is the first equation we got. A plus B plus 5 is equals to 0. Now when I write this A plus B plus 5 equals to 0, it means that is become now 0. That became 0 plus by 0 plus. Now we'll solve that limit. Now we can apply limit there. If this is not 0, we cannot apply limit. Directly this answer will be plus minus infinity. Either plus infinity or minus infinity. Okay. Understood? Now, next. Check it. What I am going to do now. Now here I will solve limit x tends to 0 minus. When I am writing x tends to 0 minus, it means I am finding f of 0 minus. So for 0 minus, tell me 0 minus is less than 0 or greater than 0? Now tell me 0 less than 0, first, second or third, which function will define? First, it means first will become, sir, a times of 1 minus x sin x plus b cos x plus 5 upon x square. And when you'll put 0 minus, this equation will generate this equation. And after that, we'll get this equation, this equals to 0. Okay, now I have to solve this. I have to know this value is 3. So when I write down here, this value is 3. This is our fourth equation now. This is our third. C is equals to 0 first. This second, third, fourth. Okay, now next. Dekho, listen. You try to understand this topic. Okay, na? L hospital rule we haven't told you in limit. When I will tell you L hospital rule, na? Okay. This much thing is not required, what we are doing. Thinking limit. L hospital rule is, one technique is there. We can solve 0 by 0, infinity by infinity limit directly without applying any formula. So that concept will be useful in continuity and differentiability chapter. Like in this question, I can use that concept, but If after differentiation chapter only we will teach you L'Hospital. Okay, so now here what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply a inside a minus a x sin x plus b cos x plus 5 upon, I have to solve this, x square. Now a plus 5, can you see? So a plus 5, what will be a plus 5? Minus b. At place of a plus 5, I will write minus b. Okay, so write down this first. Write down. Nandini. Nice tech. For good writing. Stick. After applying force only, it will put pen na, that automatically it will slip. ₹300. 300 rupees pen. This part you have written na. If you haven't written, then don't write anything. मुझे तो ये भी मन कर रहा है मिटाने का. Red part I will written. 2-3 minutes you cannot write these all things. Eh? This all part I will not delete, but in 1 minute I will delete that, those also. Okay. Okay. A plus 5 I will put minus b. Minus ax sin x plus b cos x upon x square. Limit is x tends to 0 minus this side. Sad. Thanos. Now say this. Some understanding? B cos x is there. Trigonometric limit. Trigonometric limit or not? Sin x want 1x in denominator. We'll multiply, divide x here. This will come sin x by x, x into x, x square, and here also x square is there. Very good. Now, b cos x. Cos x limit formula is 1 minus cos x. So can you see minus b and b cos x? I will take minus b common, that will become 1 minus cos x. So here a minus a x square sin x by x. Next, in these two, I will take minus b common, that will become 1 minus cos x. And 1 minus cos x wants x square in denominator, so x square multiply divide upon x square. Vishnu Priya, stop. Yes, na? Now, see this. Can you see this x square and can you see this x square? Both x square we can take common. And that x square will get cancelled with this. And total thing will become minus a sin x by x minus b 1 minus cos x by x square, and that will be limit x tends to 0 minus. Now when you'll put this 0 minus, that will come 1. This will come 1 by 2. So answer will be minus a times minus b by 2. And this is value of 0 minus. And 0 minus is equals to 0. So this equation is still left. That equation we have used. We used e raised to d is equals to 3. This equation f of 0 minus is this and f of 0 is 3. That is equals to 3. Okay. Understood na? Now, this is your one equation. And one more equation is there na? A plus b plus 5 is equals to 0. A plus b plus 5 is equals to 0. And I am going to generate one equation from here. How will generate? 2 I will take LCM. That will become minus 2a minus b is equals to 3. And here we will get minus 2a minus b is equals to 6. Minus 2a minus b is equals to 6. That 6 I will take this side. Minus 6 is equals to 0. Add both. Plus b minus b cancel. A minus 2a minus a. 5 minus 6 minus 1 is equals to 0. A is equals to minus 1. A is equals to minus 1. And when A is minus 1, I will put here A minus 1. Minus 1 plus B plus 5 is equals to 0. That will become B plus 4 is equals to 0. And we'll get B is equals to minus 4. We got A also, we got B also, we got C also, we got D also. Write it down.